Let's look at stem and leaf diagrams. Example 1, here are the heights in centimetres of 15 plants. Draw an ordered stem and leaf diagram to show this information. So first thing I like to do is write out the information in numerical order, smallest to largest. Now you can do this in a line if you want, but I find it useful to do it like this. So smallest plant is 29. The next one after that is 32, and I'll actually write it underneath. You'll see why in a minute. After that is 33, 35, 38, and another 38. Now for the next one, 40, I'm going to start a new row. So every time I go up in the tens, I'm going to write it in a new row. That's going to be really helpful when we then put that on the stem and leaf diagram. So go ahead and write down the rest. Last row, 52 and 55. Cross them off as you go along so you know you haven't missed any. And then it's worth doing a quick count to check. Looks like we have 15. Now to put this on the stem and leaf diagram, we're going to put the tens here. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we're basically just going to copy our numbers into the diagram, but only putting the units here. So 9 for 29, then a 2 for 32, followed by a 3 for 33, a 5, an 8 and an 8. So it's basically the same as what we have, but neater. And that's how stem and leaf diagrams work. They condense the information into a diagram. Do the same for the 40s. Try and line up the numbers if you can. No commas. And that's it. However, a stem and leaf diagram is useless without a key. And for the key, I like to choose the first example and say what that means. So 2 with a line down and 9 in this context just means 29 centimeters. And we're finished. Example 2, here's a stem and leaf diagram showing the mass in grams of some apples. And our job is to work out the median mass. So a couple ways to do this. First way is to cross off the masses of the apples. I'll show you what I mean. So cross off one from the front, one from the back, one from the front, one from the back. Our goal is to try and find the middle one. So if we keep doing this, we will find the middle. Just be careful here. One from the front, one from the back, and there we go. There's the middle one. Use the key to help you. What does this actually mean? It means 168 grams. There we go. The other way to do it, if you're confident, is count up how many apples there are. And in this case, there are 17. And then think about where the median apple would be. For 17, the median would be the 9th apple. Why is that? Well, we would have 8 apples, then the median, and then another 8 apples. 8 plus 1 plus 8 is 17. Then you can just go ahead and count for the 9th apple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same answer, 168 grams. And that's it. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, please do remember to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And do share this with anyone else you think might find it helpful. Thanks. See you next time.